Hello there. Today we're going to be cleaning out the dryer vent system on this duplex that has two sets of washer and dryers. We're going to be using some basic tools including the LintEater vent cleaning system, a Ryobi drill, some vent duct tape, a razor knife, and a brush to clean up your mess when you're done. I also recommend having a knee pad to save your knees while you're down there working on the clean out. The two vents come to the outside of the house, one above the other. They are stuffed with lint that have been trapped in the animal covers to make sure nothing gets into the house from the outside. Inside the house, there are two vent tubes, one coming from the other duplex through this wall here, the other one coming from the washer and dryer in this room. They go into extended 4-inch piping that are routed around the built-in cabinets and up to the outside to the vents that you saw earlier in the video. They're held on by basic strapping that you can get at Home Depot. We remove the strapping and use the razor knife to cut the tape and allow these lint system extension sticks and brush system to be pushed into the venting. We connected the extension sticks to our Ryobi drill, and you turn on the drill like you're drilling anything else, and it starts to clean the vent. Never ever hit reverse on the drill. You will lose the sticks in the vent. You want to make sure that you always are moving it forward, even when you're pulling it back out. Pull it out slowly, and the lint will come with it, cleaning out the inside. Make sure to get all vent pipes that go to your dryer, both dryers in this case. If you need additional sticks, you can disconnect the drill, connect the extension stick, tighten it back onto the drill, and continue pushing the brush into the vent system. Continue working through the pipes. As you clean each one, you can see the lint coming out. All of this lint is a fire hazard and is reducing the efficiency of your dryer as well as extending the drying time. All of the lint is taken out of the vent. Reconnect your piping. Use the special duct tape. There will be links to the duct tape and the other tools we used in this video below that you can purchase on Amazon. Tape the vents back up. And be sure to run the dryer when you're done and before you put the outside animal covers back on. This will ensure that any lint still in the pipes is blown outside and do not clog up your animal covers again once you put them on. Tighten up the straps using your screws and your Ryobi drill. And that's it. You're all done. Thank you for watching. This is DIY All Day. For more videos, visit DIYallday.com. Thank you.